The little star who wanted to shine brighter. In the vast expanse of the night sky, a tiny star sparkled timidly among countless others. Every night, it looked around at the larger, brighter stars, their glow filling the heavens. Why can't I shine like them? The little star thought, feeling small and unimportant. One evening, the moon noticed the little star's sadness. "Why do you look so down, little one?" the moon asked kindly. The star sighed, "I'm so small and dull, compared to the others. They light up the whole sky, and I barely glow. What's the point of my light if it's not bright enough to be noticed?" The moon chuckled softly. "Do you know the secret of the stars?" it asked. The little star tilted slightly in curiosity. "What secret?" The moon explained. "Every star has its own place in the sky, and every light has a purpose. You may not see it now, but your glow reaches places where no one else's light can shine." The star remained silent, unsure if it could believe the moon's words. The next night, a sailor was lost at sea. The waves were high, and the sky was cloudy. He desperately scanned the horizon for a guiding light. Just as he was about to give up, a small glimmer broke through the clouds. It was the tiny star, shining just brightly enough to point the way back to safety. The sailor whispered, "Thank you, little star," as he followed its faint glow to find his way home. From that day forward, the star no longer felt small or unimportant. It realized that even the smallest light can bring hope and guidance to someone in the dark. It continued to shine, proud of its unique place in the sky. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe for more videos.